Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. Deontay Wilder versus Dominic Breazeale has been officially ordered by the WBC. Now, to most of us, we already knew this was going to happen. And so I did make a video. I mentioned it in other videos that this is likely the next fight. But now that it's official, because Dominic Breazeale has been the mandatory since last, I believe, October, they decided that. He's been the mandatory for a long period of time, and Deontay Wilder was able to have voluntary defenses. So now that it's official, this is the reason I'm making the video. I just wanted to say, do you think Deontay Wilder is going to win by knockout? Do you think Deontay Wilder is going to win by decision? Or do you think Dominic Breazeale is going to win by knockout or by decision? Or do you think there's a possibility that it'll be a 12-round draw between these two fighters? Now, me, myself, I believe that Dominic Breazeale is going to come in angry and wild, because the last fight that I saw with him, he was very sloppy and out of shape, and he just relied on the power that he has. And I believe that Deontay Wilder is going to take his frustration in a controlled way out on Dominic Breazeale. One, for the Fury fight not happening, and two, and most importantly, because of the incident in Birmingham, Alabama that happened when Deontay Wilder was fighting and Dominic Breazeale and his brother and their family got into a confrontation. And so Deontay Wilder feels he owes Dominic Breazeale a knockout. And so I can see this fight maybe going 7 rounds if Dominic Breazeale is very cautious. But outside of that, I see Dominic Breazeale getting caught and Dominic Breazeale getting dropped. And then we're on to the next one to see what now. Who will Deontay Wilder face? Not saying I'm overlooking Dominic Breazeale, but I'm saying I'm overlooking Dominic Breazeale. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.